Hey, Brian from Garage Mall. Today I have hand warmers, rechargeable. These are really awesome. So let's open it up and see what we get inside. So I got these particularly for my wife and daughter because they are really cold during the winter. So that is your box. And they are pink, so that's pretty neat. So they are magnetic, so you get both halves. They stick together, and they can sit in your hand pretty comfortably, depending on how you want them. In your pockets, magnetic, so they all stick together. So let's open this up and see what we get in here. So you get a nice little holding pouch to store them in. You get these two little lanyards that I don't think I'm going to even remotely attempt on. Actually, I think I can probably do these. So you got the two lanyards, you have the two charging cables, and it is a C, so kind of like a somewhat universal fit nowadays. And we are going to actually plug them in real quick and give them a little bit of charge and see how much charge is actually in them when they ship. As long as I don't flip the cable out of the way. So, plugging them in. And like I said, we'll just give them a quick plug in, see where the status bar is on the charge. And kind of hard to see because I definitely pulled off camera, but maybe you can get it from that angle. So the lights are lighting up on the side where the charging cable is, and it looks like they're 2/3 of the way charged. So that's enough for us to test them, and then I can show you exactly how they warm up and what temperatures they get to. And we are going to put the lanyard through because I think I can do this. So basically, you just make a little bit of a point with that lanyard. I'm going to go in from this side, and they put it through the hole. And then you're putting this loop through here. And then we're going to pull that through, and then make a nice little quick knot of it. So let's do this one on this side as well. So we're going to do the same thing, put it through. And I know sometimes I end up like curling it with between my fingers to help get that through. And this will definitely help, especially if you have winter gloves on or something on top of trying to keep your hands warm. You got some hanging lanyards for that. And they still stick together with the lanyards on. Okay, and to turn these on, you basically hold the power buttons in. I think I have both of them. Hold them in for a couple seconds, and then you're going to actually, I don't think I had this one pushed in enough. Alright, so that's going to be level 1, and then you just hit the buttons again, and I'll give you level 2, and hit again, and that's going to be your highest level, and they're already giving off heat. So let's lay these down, and I brought my little thermal gun, so we can put it on there and see what kind of temperature we have. So maybe that camera's a little bit better. At the angle. Maybe the overhead gets that a little bit better. So if you're looking down at it, they are at 93 degrees right now. So yeah, this one's climbing because I turned this one on a little bit later. But again, so they are both heating up pretty good. And I hope from that top view you can see that screen. Let me try to see if I can't get this a little bit closer so you guys can, yeah, you should be able to see that pretty good. Right, so, yeah, 95 and climbing. So these work really good. Oh man, you can feel that. That's really nice. That has a good heat level to it. So, and again, nice thin profile, so you can put them into your pockets, your jacket, your jeans, wherever, and it's emitting heat from both sides. So, what a great idea. Rechargeable hand warmers. And I said, I think if we hit them, yeah, if you hit the buttons as you go, that will put it down or up, whatever you need. Obviously, on the lowest setting, you're going to get the longest amount of time out of it. Highest setting is obviously you're going to use the most energy out of these, and they won't last as long. So it depends on what kind of heat you're looking for. What I've done in the past with different hand warmers is I set them to like the highest setting for probably about like 3 to 5 minutes, and then I put them down on low, and that is usually adequate enough to give you the warmth that you need. But these feel so good in your hands. Anyway, all right, Brian from ReChargeable Hall, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.